Be honest, would you pay almost $100 for these snacks? Because I did, and I have mixed feelings. Hey, fantastic family, welcome back, guys, to another video. Today, I'm sharing another Jamaican snack haul, and listen, these prices are not for the weak. So, I was on TikTok one Friday afternoon and I saw this live. The lady was showing some Jamaican snacks. I was immediately interested and I asked about the Jamaican sausage. She said yes, once I select the ones with Shelly and Fraser on it, then I am good. And so I placed my order. So this box came out to $99.88. And before you start judging me, if you grew up in Jamaica, you already understand. So I got the Tigaz. I also got the Bigfoot, spicy, regular, and also the Jamaican sausage. So for the sausage, I got the regular sausage and also the hot and spicy. I also purchased the Tru Juice. This one is the cherry juice. I really wanted the June plum, but it was out of stock, and I like the cherry juice. Like, it reminds me of Sundays when I used to literally climb the cherry tree by myself. However, I stopped after a while because there were lizards in the tree, and I'm super scared of lizards. So I after a while I stopped climbing the tree. But when I had this, oh my god, it brought me right back to those Sundays when I used to just go in the tree or just try to shake the tree just to get the cherry to make the juice. Guys, if you grew up drinking cherry juice and you look at this, you can already hear the ice shaking in the glass. Just pure goodness. All right, next we have the Tigaz, and if you watch my previous video, you'll see that we're a family that loves Tigaz. Like, when we get the Tigaz, we have to start sharing who is gonna get how many. Listen, it's terrible. Like, all four of us like Tigaz, and so it we have to be hiding our stuff from each other. It's that bad. There was also a second box which was smaller. She sent this box with just the regular sausage. The first one that I showed at the beginning of the video, that was the hot and spicy. So these are the regular. I prefer the regular because the hot and spicy will humble you. It was so spicy I could hardly taste anything else but spice, and that was a no for me. So future purchases, I will not be purchasing the hot and spicy. Guys, I want you to drop in the comments if you would like me to share the company that I purchased these snacks from, and also let me know, do you like Jamaican snacks? What is your rating for the hot and spicy, the regular sausage? What about the Bigfoot, the hot and spicy, the regular, and also the all-time favorite, the Tigers? Guys, let me know what you think about my order. Do you think it is actually worth $99.88? Drop that in the comment as well, and we can chit chat in the comment section. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and guys, if you have reached this far, please subscribe and join the fantastic family. We want you here. Please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Please remember to like and share. And until next time, bye guys.